All right, who's the biggest, baddest fencer here? How fast do you think you can top this or put this together?
I don't know. A minute or two?
Minute 2. You ready? Yeah. Go. Take it away. Oh. You don't mean what? What'd you say?
A minute or two.
No, I know what you said. What'd you say?
A minute 2.
I thought you said a minute 4.
Oh, why is it a minute 4?
Minute 3:32.
Damn.
So, something we learned in the last class, and I even learned, like I said, I learned something in every class. And we can do it here shortly. These pickets are crimped on both sides. I think some of you saw it putting it on there. If I do the same thing again, I guarantee you'll be over a minute and a half. Guarantee it. Without the crimps. I learned it from one of the other guys, because what happens is you'll lift up like you did there. You pulled one out. When it's not crimped, you got the third one pulled out, and then you're like screwed on the whole deal. So I actually learned something this time. We do this in Dallas all the time for competitions, and I've never had the tops crimped. It makes so much sense. I'm thinking, man, we got that saw there. We got pickets over there. Let's get 15 pickets the same height. We'll get to steak dinner tonight. So you'll see the difference, what a crimp actually does. Because guarantee he's going to pull 1 or 2 or 5 out at one time. Ready? Go. Your time. Let's go. Guaranteed he's going to pull 1 out.
Get him.
Oh, guaranteed. Now these are 7/8 by 3. We talked about the measurements. Try doing this on a 7/8 by 1.5 inches. It'll pop out all the time. Dude. 55, 55. So that is my best time ever at AFA University.
Hey, Myers fencing out of Nicholasville, baby.
But you saw where it popped out.
Dude, yeah.
Anyone thinks you can beat him?
Come on.
I
got $20 on it if you beat me.
Without the crimps. So Mrs. Johnson had a drunk friend over, tried to climb over the fence on the pole and bent the picket. So she's probably freaking out because she thinks the whole fence is damaged. We already went through it to change the picket. It's really, really simple. You just pick it up, pull it out, change it. Put that one in, and hopefully it's been glued a little bit better. Things like this happen. Trees will fall. It might not break the fence, but the pickets are damaged. Instead of paying a guy to go out X amount of dollars in a truck, you can send your salesperson out and have them change this out real quick. Just time management and efficiency is what you want to work on. You can still charge Mrs. Jones a repair fee, but you can send someone out that can do it the right way and just as quick.